Well, this is something I didn't want to find, but what's really surprising is it's coming through the wall. Can you see it there? All right, focus. It's coming through the wall. So, what I got going outside is there is stucco over top of insulation, but on the lip here, the water is coming down behind the insulation because this is all dry and this is all dry. But when we get down about 18 inches, 24 inches from the window is where you start to see the water coming down. So, this is all the more reason for me to improve that insulation around the window. I didn't realize I had this trouble 20 years ago. Oh well, don't need to drag this out any farther, but I think it's good news that it can some problem that can be fixed.